Hello, everyone. My name is John. Welcome to English Pro Talks.
Hi, everyone. I'm Emma. We're happy you're here today.
Today's topic is very simple. We will talk about our bedtime routine. Let's learn English together.
Just relax and listen carefully. Don't worry about difficult words. Let's get started.
Good evening, Emma. How was your day today? I hope everything went well for you. My day was busy, but it was also very good. Now I finally have time to relax.
Good evening, John. My day was nice and peaceful. I finished all my work before dinner. Now I feel relaxed and comfortable. I'm happy to have this conversation with you.
Every night, I follow the same bedtime routine. It helps me sleep better every day. I like doing the same simple things before bed. They make my mind feel calm and peaceful. I think a good routine is very important.
I feel the same way. A bedtime routine makes life much easier. It helps my body relax after a long day. I usually sleep better because of my routine. I wake up feeling fresh every morning.
After dinner, I clean my room. I put my books back on the shelf. Then I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. This saves me time in the morning. It also keeps my room clean and tidy.
That is a very good habit. I also like to prepare everything at night. I put my bag near the door. I check my alarm before sleeping. Then I don't need to worry in the morning.
After that, I go to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth carefully, then I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel clean and fresh. I enjoy this quiet time before bed.
My routine is almost the same. I brush my teeth every night. Then I wash my face very gently. I like feeling fresh before I sleep. It helps me relax quickly.
Good evening again, Emma. I always enjoy quiet evenings. They help me forget my busy day. Everything feels calm around me. My mind becomes peaceful. I really like this feeling.
I know what you mean. Quiet evenings are my favorite. They make me feel relaxed. I can think more clearly. I forget my stress. I feel ready for bed.
Before I sleep, I drink some water. It is a simple habit. It makes me feel refreshed. Then I check my alarm. I never forget to set it. It helps me wake up on time.
That is a good idea. I also check my alarm. Sometimes I prepare my breakfast too. It saves time tomorrow. Small habits make life easier. I really enjoy doing them.
After that, I read a book. Only a few pages are enough. Reading makes me feel sleepy. It helps me relax. I learn something new every day. Then I close my book.
I like reading too. Sometimes I read a short story. Sometimes I read a magazine. It helps me forget my worries. My mind becomes very quiet. Then I feel sleepy.
I do not watch television late. I also avoid my phone. Bright screens keep me awake. I want good sleep. Healthy habits are important. They help me every day.
I do the same thing. My phone stays on the table. I do not use it in bed. The room becomes very quiet. I close my eyes slowly. Then I feel peaceful.
Finally, I turn off the light. My room becomes dark. Everything is very quiet. I lie down comfortably. I close my eyes. Soon, I fall asleep.
That sounds wonderful. Good sleep is very important. It gives us more energy. It makes us feel happy. A healthy bedtime routine really helps. Everyone should try it.
Every night, I make my bedroom clean. A clean room helps me feel comfortable. I put my clothes in the closet. I place my shoes near the door. Everything looks neat and tidy. Then I smile because my room feels peaceful.
I like a clean room too. It helps me relax before sleeping. I fold my blanket carefully. I put my book on the table. Then I turn off the bright lights. Only a small lamp stays on.
Sometimes I open the window. Fresh air comes into my room. The cool air feels very nice. I take a deep breath. Then I close the window again. Now the room feels perfect.
I do the same thing. I think about good moments. I feel thankful for my day. Then I forget my worries. I close my eyes slowly. Soon I feel sleepy.
I never sleep too late. Sleeping early is good for me. My body gets enough rest. I wake up with more energy. I feel ready for a new day. It is a healthy habit.
Yes, I agree with you. Good sleep changes everything. I feel happier every morning. My body feels strong. My mind feels fresh. I enjoy every new day.
Good night, Emma. I hope you sleep well tonight. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful night.
Thank you, John. Good night to you too. Sleep well and stay healthy. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Goodbye, everyone.
Sometimes I cannot sleep very quickly. It happens after a busy day. My mind is still thinking, so I take a slow, deep breath. Then I relax my body. After a few minutes, I feel much better.
That happens to me too. I never worry about it. I stay calm and patient. Soon my body starts to relax. Then my eyes feel heavy. I fall asleep naturally.
I never drink coffee before bed. Coffee keeps me awake. Instead, I drink a glass of water. Sometimes I drink warm milk. It makes me feel comfortable. Then I'm ready to sleep.
I like warm milk too. It tastes very nice. It helps me feel relaxed. I also drink enough water. Healthy habits are important. They help me every day.
My bedroom is always quiet. I keep the lights off. I like a cool room. I use a soft pillow. My blanket is warm and comfortable. Then I sleep very well.
My room is quiet too. I keep everything clean. A clean room feels peaceful. I love my soft blanket. It helps me feel warm. I sleep very comfortably.
Good sleep changes my whole day. I wake up with a smile. I have more energy. I can study better. I can work better. I feel happy all day.
I feel the same way. When I sleep well, I feel fresh. My body feels stronger. My mind is clear. I enjoy every new morning. It is a wonderful feeling.
Everyone needs enough sleep. It is good for our health. It gives us new energy. It helps our body recover. It also keeps our mind calm. That is why I sleep early.
I completely agree with you. A simple bedtime routine is very helpful. Small habits make a big difference. Start with one good habit today. Sleep well every night. Your future self will thank you.
Emma, I really enjoyed our conversation today. Talking about daily routines is always useful. These simple habits make our lives better. They help us stay healthy and happy. I hope our listeners learned something new. Thank you for sharing your routine with us.
Thank you, John. I enjoyed our conversation too. Our bedtime routine is simple. Anyone can follow these habits. Small changes bring big results. Good sleep is a wonderful gift.
Let's remember the most important habits. Brush your teeth every night. Wash your face before bed. Set your alarm for tomorrow. Turn off your phone early. Go to bed at the same time.
Keep your bedroom clean. Wear comfortable clothes. Drink enough water during the evening. Read a few pages of a book. Relax your mind before sleeping. Enjoy a peaceful night.
When we sleep well, we feel fresh. We have more energy every day. We can study with better focus. We can work with confidence. We also feel happier inside. Healthy sleep is very important.
That is absolutely true. Good sleep helps our body recover. It also helps our brain rest. We wake up feeling stronger. Every new day becomes easier. That is why I love my bedtime routine.
Thank you for listening today. We hope this conversation helped you. Practice these English sentences every day. Speak slowly and speak clearly. Never be afraid of making mistakes. Keep learning English with us.
Thank you, everyone. We are happy you joined us today. Keep practicing a little every day. Your English will improve step by step. We believe in you. See you in our next lesson.
Take care of yourself. Sleep well every night. Stay healthy and stay positive. Keep smiling every day. Have a wonderful tomorrow. Goodbye, my friend.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching English Pro Talks. Have sweet dreams tonight. Take care and stay safe. Keep speaking English every day. See you in the next video.